Hello, good day everyone. So ang gagawin natin ngayon is part ng COC1 which is install OS. Okay, so mag-i-install tayo ng client OS ngayon. So ito yung unang window na makikita natin. So pag nakita nyo na to, just click next. And then install now or install OS. And then makikita natin dito setup is starting. Yan. So makikita mo dyan, manghingi siya ng active Windows, I don't have a product key. So manghingi siya ng product key. So click lang natin for the meantime yung I don't have a product key. Okay, tapos i-click natin yung Windows 10 Pro. Well, actually, some of them guys is compatible naman sa networking, except lang yung may mga home. But for now, para mas kumpleto yung features, yung Windows 10 Pro yung pipiliin natin. And then sa part na to, well, wala naman tayong ibang choice kundi i-accept yung license terms. So, click next. And then, so two options here. Siyempre, yung i-select natin guys is yung custom. Kasi wala naman tayong files na kailangan i-keep or balikan later on. But for now, we're gonna go with custom, install Windows only. Yan. So, ito na yung part na kailangan nating mag-partition. Okay, so ang gagawin natin is drive C tsaka drive D because sa COC4 hindi ka makakapag-backup pag wala kang drive D. Okay, so dapat tandaan nyo guys, dapat dalawa yung drive ninyo kasi during COC4 kakailanganan nyo yung isa para mag-backup. But for now, okay, so makikita nyo rito unallocated space total of 60 gigabytes. Okay, so click nyo lang yung new para mahati natin. Let's say 50-50, so gagawin ko lang 3 yan. Tapos click on apply. And then okay. And then antayin natin yung partition. Yan, so makikita ninyo may tatlong lalabas dyan. Okay, yung unang-una, yung system reserve. Ikalawa, yung partition. Ito na nakasulat dito tapos nakalagay primary 30.7 gigabytes. Now, yung ikatlo, nakalagay dito, makikita nyo unallocated space 29.3 gigabytes. So, ito ngayon yung gagawin nating drive D. Okay? So, click lang ulit natin yung new. So, make sure nakaselect yung yung unallocated Tapos, click lang yung new. Tapos, automatic, ito na yung kalahati. O yung natitira natin kailangan i-partition. So, apply lang. And then, makikita nyo, wala nang unallocated. Okay, so mamaya, after natin ng install, makikita nyo magiging drive C tsaka drive D. So for now, next na muna tayo. Let's move on. Tapos ito na siya, mag-i-install na siya. Medyo may katagalan to, so we'll just have to wait. Yan, makikita nyo, Windows needs to restart to continue. Well, pwede ko namang pindutin na yung restart now, pero antayin ko na lang na yung system mismo ang mag-restart. Yan, so kung mapapansin nyo, nag-restart na uli. Actually, may mga mangilang-ilang restart din na mangyayari while installing the OS. Tulad niyan, lumabas na yung blue screen, pero you know, it's still part of the loading or installing. Pero syempre, it's an indication na malapit na lang matapos yung yung pag-install ng OS natin. By the way, this is for client. Mag-upload ulit ako ng video para dun sa server naman. Let's continue. So, United States tayo, region. Tapos sa keyboard layout, syempre US, yes ulit. And then skip natin to. Well, depende naman sa inyo kung meron kayong you know, ibang keyboard layout, then go ahead. Pero for now, let's skip. And then just a moment ulit. Tapos I don't have internet. Tapos continue with limited setup muna tayo. Para lang natin guys, para lang ma-install natin yung yung client natin. So kailangan nyo ring i-fill out to. Password. Pati ito guys, kailangan nyo i-fill out to. Well, yung una kong aso is si Andrew. Security question number 2. So pipili lang tayo. Childhood nickname, lagyan lang natin G2 ulit. Tapos next, yung question number 3, school, syempre all odds. Next, and then may konting loading ulit, and then accept lang, accept ulit, and may konting loading na naman. So ayan, tapos na ang ating pag-install ng OS sa ating client. Now, check natin yung partition na ginawa natin. So makikita nyo, dalawa siya. Drive C, tsaka Drive D. Okay? So, I hope may natutunan kayo guys sa episode na to. And isusunod ko naman yung pag-install sa server. Okay? Meron lang siyang konting difference pero halos pareho din naman sila. Okay, hanggang sa muli.